Hello there! My name is Mary and I am from the Philippines. Are you ready to improve your English skills? In my class, you will learn English in a fun, easy, and comfortable way. I am patient, friendly, and I will guide you step by step if you are a beginner. Don't worry about making mistakes. It's all part of learning. I will help you improve your speaking, pronunciation, vocabulary, and confidence in using English in real life situations. My lessons are simple, interactive, and focus on your lessons needs. So what are you waiting for? Book your first lessons now and let's start learning together. See you in my class.